Hakone. This is about 2.5 hours from Tokyo, and Hakone is famous for their volcanic mountain, and there's a ropeway on top and the black lake. There are a lot of attractions over here. So currently we're in the bus and we're going to one of the attractions, which is the open air museum. हम लोग अभी चल के जा रहे हैं to the open air museum. And the view is amazing. There's a mountain in front of us and the weather is also so nice. It's such a cute place. Come to the main attraction of the Hakone Museum, which is this open air thing. Looks quite beautiful. Done with the Hakone Open Air Museum, and now we're going to Owakodani. That's the volcanic mountain with like steam coming out. Uske liye now we're going to Gora Station. Gora.
Only I'm allowed.
Oh,
You're not.
Oh, I'm also Gora, bro. And we live in Goregaon, so like all Goregaon people are allowed in Gora. So we got down at Gora Station. Now we're taking a cable car. इसके बाद क्या लेना है? Ropeway. So this cable car is also a little steep only. Sulfur clouds that are coming up. It's so pretty. It's a volcanic area. So this is actually a volcanic mountain, and ये जो धुआं दिख रहा है, this is the steam from the volcano that is still there. And all these cuts on the mountain, can you see, like that's the mountain how it looks. And ये जो बीच में cuts लगे हुए, that's actually from the volcano lava. So it's super duper cool, like oh my god. Sulfur का पूरा area है and the पूरा steam आ रहा है. It's so damn pretty, like peak nature. This is peak nature. Now at Ova Kotani there is a famous black egg, and उसके पीछे का myth क्या है राधिका?
That if you eat it, you can live more 7 years.
So it increases your lifespan by 7 years. It's said. So we're here to try the black egg. This is how the black egg looks. उसको peel किया है. And this is how it looks peeled. Taste test, Papa. Taste test. Normal anda. So from Ova Kotani we came down from the cable car, and now we're going to Lake Ashi where we're boarding the pirate ship. After coming off the pirate ship, we've come here towards the lake, and we can actually see Mount Fuji. I'll show. That right up there is Fuji-san. Mount Fuji, do you like it? Bro, it's so pretty. I really can't stop taking pictures of it. वो तोरी गेट भी अच्छे से दिख रहा है अभी. Finally tried Hatoya matcha, and it's really good. The matcha flavor is so rich. Very nice. Do you think it's good? Yeah, I think it's worth the
I
hype.
hate matcha, but it's good.
Yeah, but it's good. This is the panda snack, and this is our panda eating the panda. Taste test. Chocolate, na, inside? It's nice? Nice. So we're taking the Inodin line. This is the famous जो anime scene वाली line है. This is that. We're taking this train and going to the Great Buddha at Kamakura. Currently in the Inodin train, and it's so full. It's like we don't even have a place to stand properly. We're just entering the premises of the Great Buddha, and we have to take tickets and then we can go inside. We're at the Great Buddha statue. It's so huge and majestic, and the color, it looks quite old and so pretty. At the Great Buddha, there is also a place to go inside the Buddha statue. Now I don't know what exactly that is, but let's go. I have my 50 yen with me. Let's purchase the ticket and let's go inside. boarded the train till Kamakura Kokome, and look at the view. I'm standing at the station right now. You can see the road. This is the railway, that's the road, and that's the sea. What a view. You can also see the Enoshima Island from here. We'll go there after this, but the view, my god. Down at Enoshima station, now we're taking this bridge and going to the Enoshima Island. It's very sunny. So I've ordered for an Enoshima rice bowl and it has a snail. If you can see. Taste test. It's nice, but it's okay. So the last clip was of me kind of throwing up. I didn't like the snail. Initially the taste was okay, but later on वो अगर किसी ने चिकन की वो कलेजी खाई है, I don't know what it's called in English, but it tasted like that. तो मुझे बिल्कुल अच्छी नहीं लगी, तो मैंने उसे थूक दिया. But overall the meal was nice except for the shrimp. The rice bowl was very nice. Now we're currently in Enoshima. We're heading towards the Enoshima Sea Candle to see the sunset. Climb 3 fleets of stairs. Oof. And we've come to the shrine and we have to walk somewhere to figure out where the sea candle is. We're taking the escalator to the top of Sea Candle and it looks so nice. We've come up to the Enoshima Sea Candle and there's an outdoor observation deck. Just climbing up. Oh my god, the view. That's the beautiful sunset and that's Kamakura. That is the bridge that we came from. Those are the shops. One of these shops we had our food, and from here you can also see the shrine. That's the shrine, and this is the second part of the shrine. And here you can see the whole of the Cocking Garden, which we rushed through right now, but we'll go down and we'll see it. But oh my god, this is such a beautiful view. Such a beautiful view. Just came down from the Sea Candle. How was the Sea Candle view?
It's amazing. I think it's like a mini that Paris thing, Eiffel. It's half the size of Eiffel, I believe. But the view is magnificent.
Yeah.
And I think it's an island, so you can actually see sea the entire circle, right? was good fun, really good.
Yeah. And the best thing जो मुझे लगा was I've never been on an island. तो यहाँ से ना we could see the island and the sea. So most of these adventure movies या जो thriller movies होती है ना, वैसा feeling आ रहा था कि we're on an island and आगे sea है. So that was very fun. The Cocking Garden, which we didn't cover इससे पहले, नीचे आके अभी it's lit up, so it's looking even more beautiful. I'm sure सुबह भी अच्छा लग रहा होगा, like before sunset, but now that the lights are up, it's even magnificent.